Uzbekistan is nearing the conclusion of an important military aviation agreement involving the acquisition of the JF-17 Thunder Block III, an advanced multirole fighter aircraft. This marks a major milestone in Uzbekistan's efforts to upgrade its air force capabilities, which have largely been dependent on older generation platforms. The selection of the JF-17 Block III is the result of a deliberate evaluation of various modern fighter options, balancing affordability, advanced features, and long-term operational sustainability. The decision to move forward with the JF-17 comes after a sustained phase of assessments, technical discussions, pilot familiarization programs, and diplomatic engagement with the aircraft's producers. The JF-17 Block III is a significantly enhanced version of the original Thunder platform. It incorporates advanced avionics, a powerful radar system, superior engine performance, and upgraded cockpit ergonomics. It is designed to deliver full-spectrum combat capabilities including air-to-air superiority, precision strike, and beyond visual range (BVR) interception. One of the standout features of the Block III variant is its KLJ-7A active electronically scanned array AESA radar, which allows simultaneous tracking and targeting of multiple airborne and ground targets with improved detection range and resistance to jamming. This radar system provides the aircraft with a substantial advantage in modern aerial combat environments where electronic warfare and countermeasures are increasingly common. Complementing the radar is the RD-93MA engine, a high-thrust upgrade over earlier versions. With an output of 91 kN, this engine gives the Block III improved takeoff performance, climb rate, and thrust-to-weight ratio. It allows the aircraft to perform sharp combat maneuvers, maintain sustained speeds in engagement scenarios, and operate from shorter runways or high-altitude bases with more payload flexibility. The improved engine also enhances the aircraft's fuel efficiency and mission endurance, allowing it to remain in contested airspace longer without refueling. Internally, the Block III features a fully digital glass cockpit equipped with 3 large multifunctional displays and a wide-angle holographic head-up display. These interfaces provide pilots with high-speed access to mission-critical information, threat indicators, and radar data in real time. The digital layout is further supported by a hands-on throttle and stick HOTAS configuration, allowing pilots to maintain control over key systems without removing their hands from the flight controls. Block III also introduces a helmet-mounted display capability, which gives pilots the ability to lock onto targets simply by looking at them, greatly improving engagement response time during high-speed aerial dogfights. For training and operational integration, Uzbek pilots and ground crews have already begun a structured transition to the JF-17 platform. Specialized training modules have been launched to teach flight characteristics, combat tactics, maintenance protocols, radar and electronic suite usage, and emergency procedures. This structured familiarization is a strong indicator that Uzbekistan is fully preparing its personnel to operate and maintain a JF-17 fleet domestically. These programs are often initiated only when an acquisition agreement is near finalization or has been agreed upon in principle. In terms of mission versatility, the JF-17 Block III supports multiple operational roles. It can perform interception, deep strike, border patrol, reconnaissance, and close air support missions with equal effectiveness. The aircraft's airframe is designed with modularity in mind, which allows for rapid mission conversion and future upgrades. Its open architecture avionics suite ensures that software and hardware can be updated over time, extending the platform's service life and adaptability to changing mission requirements. The aircraft's range of approximately 1,200 kilometers and its aerial refueling capability give it strategic reach. It can perform long-duration sorties or reposition rapidly across large distances, which is critical for a country like Uzbekistan with wide and varied terrain. The aircraft's ability to operate from relatively undeveloped or rugged airfields also enhances its deployment flexibility in regions where fully equipped air bases may be limited. In July 2025, the JF-17 Block III achieved another significant milestone by participating in the Royal International Air Tattoo (RIAT) in the United Kingdom. This marked its first public demonstration in a Western setting, where it was evaluated not only for its appearance but also for its long-range deployment capability. The aircraft traveled over 4,000 miles to reach the United Kingdom, supported by aerial refueling aircraft, showcasing its endurance and international mobility. During the airshow, it was awarded the Spirit of the Meet Award, a recognition that is only given to platforms demonstrating unique operational characteristics, presentation quality, and flight readiness. The same aircraft that participated in RIAT is reported to have been from the same production line as the jets intended for Uzbekistan, offering the international community a preview of the exact configuration being acquired. The successful participation in RIAT reinforced confidence in the JF-17 program's maturity, export support system, and combat readiness. These qualities are important for new customers like Uzbekistan, which must ensure that any new platform they acquire has been thoroughly tested in real-world conditions and is backed by a strong logistics and support ecosystem. Uzbekistan's decision is not purely technical, it also reflects a long-term strategic calculation. The country requires a fleet that can not only secure its airspace but also provide deterrence through modern capabilities without incurring the high costs associated with heavier or more complex aircraft. The JF-17 fulfills these needs with a competitive operational cost per flight hour, easy maintenance cycle, and relatively rapid crew training pathway. Its avionics and radar capabilities make it a competitive platform against both current and emerging regional threats. As of July 2025, production for export versions of the JF-17 Block 3 is in full motion, with several units in advanced stages of assembly. Uzbek-specific configuration changes, if any, are expected to include customized communication systems and perhaps minor software alterations based on local command and control systems. However, the core avionics and weapon capabilities remain consistent with the latest export standard Block 3 variant. Uzbekistan's expected initial order could include 12 to 24 aircraft, with follow-on options depending on operational performance, pilot feedback, and budget allocation. The current progress in pilot training, logistics coordination, and aircrew deployment planning suggests that delivery may begin soon after the formal contract is signed. If completed as projected, the acquisition will represent a major step forward for Uzbekistan's national air defense strategy and align it with nations already operating modern fourth-generation plus fighters. The JF-17 Block 3 stands as the central focus of this modernization effort, an aircraft designed to be cost-effective, technologically up-to-date, and combat-ready across multiple mission types. With support structures already in place and international exposure achieved, its adoption by Uzbekistan adds further validation to its growing reputation. The program continues to expand its operational footprint through performance, strategic export planning, and focus on operational independence for its customers.